Falls Adventure Park. We're going to show you some amazing trails, some multiple ways to do the same trail. And we're with the Jeep Talk Show crew for the 3rd annual event. Follow along. We split up into 3 groups. We had about 10 rigs each. So we're going to show you how to go through the first trail and a couple pretty cool exits that you can take depending on which way you go through.
So we're down here at Babyback on the backside, getting ready to head towards the falls.
And before you get on the trails, make sure your 4-wheel drive's working, your air down to something under 80 psi. And when someone's trying to help you, take their lead. Leading up to the falls, you go through this little creek bed. It's some great climbing, and it's rare that the falls are running, but we have seen it once at the last year's event. Anna, thanks for filming again. Couldn't have done it without you. And most of the obstacles, if you want to do them, there's a bypass or a milder route you can take. Don't be afraid to take out a stock rig.
But you need that momentum.
It won't get any damage as long as you use a little common sense and maybe a spotter.
Watch out, John.
Clutch.
He's done a lot of work to that YJ LS powered. It's a total custom rig. It's called Patches for the obvious reasons. Sounds great. I'll leave all the Jeep Talk Show information in the descriptions as well. Check them out if you get a chance. Always a good podcast. So this is one of the ways you can go after you go through the falls area. When we get done with this, I'll show you the other route.
So the whole trick of this is just, if you stay on the passenger side coming down, it's a much less drop off. The centers are obviously more drop. Hopefully Kevin brings Patches down the center. So we took the center line down and the vise hit several places. That vise makes a great skid plate as well.
Duke and I had parked and hiked up that hill, and that Texas sun was blistering hot. We were both beat. Alright, so let's show you the other route. After you get through the falls, you make a different turn, and you get a totally different trail. It's pretty cool how you can just change so easily. John, Matt, and I took the far left route, and it stands you almost straight up when you're climbing out of there, but it's a pretty cool route.
Alright, you can see something here. So I guess it's a local Jeep shop here. Made it look easy.
We appreciate you viewing our videos. Please consider subscribing. Check out our channel memberships and Patreon also. Thank you. Matt here built a really cool custom tow behind trailer. keep an eye on that on the channel. You'll see a video coming soon. It was good to talk to everybody who came to the event. It was hot as you know what on top of that mountain, but it was great company. If you enjoyed this, we'll see you here for other events just like this. Thanks for viewing.
There you go. All right.